Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillah. Tawakkaltu ala Allah. La hawla wala quwwata illa billah. Hasbi Allah la ilaha illa hu alayhi tawakkaltu wa huwa rabbul arshil azim. Ya Rahman. Alhamdulillah rabbil alamin. Today is January 26th. Today is January 26th, right after the snowstorm, Bronx, New York. I didn't go to work yesterday. I'm planning to work today if Allah allowed me. Inshallah. Keep me in your prayer. Inshallah, I should be able to make some money today. I have to go to work today, and Alhamdulillah, already I saw already a blessing that somebody removing snow right next to my car, which I would have to do it anyway. Alhamdulillah, that's a blessing. Alhamdulillah. Hey brother, how are you? Good morning. Oh, that's my hair. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. Okay, so I have to remove this snow in order to get in the car, and I have to do it bare hand right now because my gloves is inside my car. So let's go. Monday morning. Alhamdulillah. Praise Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Bismillah. Allahu Akbar. Allah, তুমি সাহায্য করো আল্লাহ. Bismillah. My hand is not even working. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Bismillah. Alhamdulillah. 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 Allah তোমার বড় মেহেরবানি. Alhamdulillah. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Okay. Let's get this warm. I have a gloves here. Okay. There's more work to do. Alhamdulillah. So this morning, you know, I have any reason to be thankful. Don't complain about this hard work. Early in the morning, complain about the snow. Number one, I get to see another day. Allah woke me up, so I still have something for me. He still got something for me. Number two, as I walked to the car, I did not have this shovel. Somebody gave it to me. I gave him $5. He's gonna use it and give him back. Number three is almost like the biggest thing. My car got started without any problem. Like, even though it was sitting in this freezing snow for 2 days, Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, be thankful. Alhamdulillah, this should be okay for me to get out. This should be okay, inshallah. Look at this, how much snow I have to move. Now, it's time for me to take off my plastic bag. Ya Rahman, Ya Rahim. Bismillah. The time is 11:10. That's just a quick update about the snow, about the road. it's been slow, and I had a lot of short rides, so I made $111 until now. People are struggling to take out their car. Lots of snow, and unfortunately I stuck in this little area in the Bronx. I couldn't get out from the Bronx. Maybe in the city in Manhattan, the snow condition, road condition is better, the fare would be bigger, but it is what it is. I'm not gonna just empty drive all the way to Manhattan. Alright guys, the time is now 12:49. So far, with all this little small trip, I got $197. Alhamdulillah. I took somebody to LaGuardia from Harlem, and then they gave me right away one to Astoria. Now I'm going back to the lot. I can pray maybe Johor over there, and then see what I get from there. The road condition is not too bad now. I'm in Queens area right now. But a lot of people is still having hard time getting out their car, because sanitation truck, they push all the snows to the sidewalk, so whoever parked their car, they stuck. So far so good. 197 with the Uber, so far so good. Only thing is I killed a lot of times in the morning when from Bronx they send me few times to Mount Vernon, to New Rochelle one time, and long pickup, short drop off. The morning was not good, but what can I do? It is what it is. Alright, I'm taking a little break, short break. I'm going to pray Salatul Johor at Masjid Darul Dawa. It is on 23rd Avenue and 36th Street. Masjid Darul Dawa, praying Salatul Johor, and after that I will head to LaGuardia. Alright, keep you guys posted. So far 197. Quick break for lunch. So right here on 72nd and Amsterdam. Chicken over rice. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Monday shift ended. It's 6:59, 7 o'clock. Was very long day, but my intention was to finish before 5 or like 4 o'clock, but I was in Newark, New Jersey, and from there I took somebody to Brooklyn and Pulaski Skyway was blocked. The ride supposed to take 40 minutes, it took 1.5 hours. And also from Brooklyn to the Bronx, it's another long way. It was very crazy day from start to the end, But there is one good news. As I was dropping off the Newark Airport passenger at Brooklyn, and she saw that I was tired, and I was like, oh, my shift, I just ended my shift here, I'm just gonna go back to the Bronx now. And she was like, oh, that was your last ride? I said yes, I started at 7 in the morning. And she was like, oh, you had a long day. And as I pulled out, I was heading to Manhattan, I just saw that in the app it showed she gave me $50 tip.